right now we are outside. I'm standing next to me is the father to the groom, and of course I'm just gonna ask him a few questions of how he's feeling about this all day this morning. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, thank you.
Yes, sir. What are your names? And of course, you just tell us a bit about you.
Okay, my full name is Arron Chanda Bwalya.
Okay.
I'm the father to the boy. And actually, I'm very, very happy today that my son will no longer be alone, but will be the two as the Bible says. So it's really a very good thing, and I'm really praying God that God should give them the blessings as well as blessings from all of us.
So how are you feeling about this whole day?
This whole day, it's going to be tiresome. At the same time, it will be a day to record with, because nowadays it's very rare for people to find themselves this kind of this combination thing, and therefore, as a father, it's gonna be a very good day, and a day that will be a memorable. It will be there always for me to remember that my son really has done something in life.
Thank you very much, sir. We're still together here, so we are still going to meet you back.
Okay, thanks very much for welcome.
Okay. So next now, I'm going to have just an interview with the father to the bride, and of course, as he's coming through, we just wait for him and just get a few tips from him of how he's feeling about this whole day, and of course, how he expects it to be.